Hello, you are welcome to solve this nice math problem, square root of 2 minus 1 raised to power 10. But before we proceed, please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Solution. Then here we have the given equation, square root of 2 minus 1 all raised to power 10. This is equal to let square root of 2 minus 1 is equal to x. Then we have x plus 1 is equal to square root of 2. Let us call this equation 1. Also, let's square both sides of this equation. We have s plus 1 all square is equal to square root of 2 all square. This cancel this. S plus 1 all square is equal to 2. Then this is the same thing as s plus 1 multiplied by s plus 1 is equal to 2. Then this is the same thing as s times s square plus s times 1, that is s plus 1 times x, s plus 1 times 1, 1 is equal to 2. This is s square plus s times s, 2x plus 1 is equal to 2. Then here we have s square plus 2x plus 1 minus 2 equal to 0. This is s square plus 2x minus 1 is equal to 0. Then s square will be equal to 1 minus 2x. Let us call this equation 2. Now let us square both sides of this equation 2 again. We have s square all square is equal to 1 minus 2s all square. Take note of this, that if you have a raised to power n to the power of m, this is equal to a raised to power m to the power of n. This is equal to a raised to power mn. Then this can be written as s raised to power 4 is equal to 1 minus 2 brackets 2x plus 2x all square. Then this is s raised to power 4 is equal to, here if you express this, we have 1 minus 4x, 2 times 2x, that's 4s, plus this can be written as 2 square, we have 4, and s square, this is s square. Then this is both s square is equal to 1 minus 2x. Then this can be written as s raised to power 4 is equal to 1 minus 4s plus 4 bracket 1 minus 2x. Here we have s raised to power 4 is equal to 1 minus 4x plus, if you open bracket with this 4, we have 4 times 1, 4 minus 4 times 2x, that is 8x. Then we have s raised to power 4 is equal to 1 plus 4, that is 5, minus 4x minus 8x, that is minus 12s. Let us call this equation 3. Now from this equation 3, which is s raised to power 4, if you square both sides, all square is equal to 5 minus 12, 12x all square. This is the same thing as s raised to power 4 times 2, that is 8, is equal to, if you expand this, we have 25 minus 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 12x plus 12s all square. This is the same thing as s raised to power 8 is equal to 25 minus 2 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 12x, that is 120x plus this. If you open this, we have 12 square, that is 144, then s square, but s square is equal to 1 minus 2x. And let's substitute, we have s raised to power 8 is equal to 25 minus this 120x plus 144 bracket 1 minus 2x. This is same thing as s raised to power 8 is equal to 25 minus 120x. Let's open this bracket. 144 multiplied by 1. This is plus 144 minus 144 multiplied by 2x. That is 288x. Then we have s raised to power 8 is equal to, we have 25 plus 144, that is 169. Then minus 120x minus 288s, that is minus 408s. Let us call this equation 4. Now let us multiply the whole of this equation 4 by s square. This is the same thing as s raised to power 8 multiplied by s square is equal to 169 minus 408x multiplied by s square. This is the same thing as s raised to power 8 plus 2 is equal to 169 minus 408s multiplied by square, because here if you have a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n, this is equal to a raised to power m plus n. Also recall that s square is equal to 1 minus 2x. Then the whole of this can be written as s raised to power 8 plus 2 is equal to 169 minus 408 s bracket 1 minus 2x. S raised to power 8 plus 2, that is 10, is equal to, if you expand this, we have 169 minus 408s minus 338x plus 816 square. This is same thing as s raised to power 10 is equal to 169 minus 408x minus 338x, that is minus 746x plus 816 square. But we know that s square is equal to this 1 minus 2. This is same thing as s raised to power 10 is equal to 169 minus 746s plus 816 bracket 1 minus 2x. This is s raised to power 10 is equal to 169 minus 746s plus, if you open this bracket, we have 816 minus 1632x. And this is s raised to power 10 is equal to 169 plus 816. Then this is minus 746s minus 1632x. This is s raised to power 10 is equal to 169 plus 816. So that is 985 minus 746x minus 1632x. That is 2378x. But s is equal to square root of 2 minus 1. We have s raised to power 10 is equal to 985 minus 2378 bracket root 2 minus 1. And this will be root 2 minus 1 raised to power 10 is equal to 985 minus, let's open this bracket, we have 2378 root 2 minus times minus 1, that is plus 2378. And this is root 2 minus 1 all raised to power 10 is equal to If you add this and this together, we have 3363 minus 2378 root 2. Then this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.